In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a ConvertKit email. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First off, if you're not familiar with ConvertKit, it's an excellent email marketing platform designed specifically for creators like bloggers, photographers, and more. It's user-friendly and offers tons of flexibility in terms of how you can reach and engage your audience. Today, we'll focus on how to make your emails stand out through customization. To start, log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, navigate to the Emails section on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see all your saved emails, but for this tutorial, we want to create a new one. So, click on the Create New Email button. Now you'll be presented with a few options regarding the type of email you would like to create. Whether you want to send a broadcast email or set up an automated sequence, you should select the option that best meets your needs. For this demonstration, let's go with a broadcast email. Once you select that, you'll land on the email editor page. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll see a blank canvas ready for your creativity. Start by giving your email a title. Be sure to choose something catchy that reflects the content of your email, because this is what your subscribers will see in their inbox. Next, let's move on to the body of the email. Here's where you can really personalize your message. ConvertKit provides a straightforward text editor that allows you to write your content directly. You can type in your message and use the formatting options available above the text box to make it visually appealing. Want to make certain words bold or italicized? Or perhaps you'd like to add bullet points? Just select the text, and you'll find options for those right in the toolbar. A crucial part of email customization is ensuring you maintain a strong brand identity. So remember to use your brand's voice and style in your writing. If your brand is fun and casual, keep that tone throughout the email. If it's more professional, adjust accordingly. This consistency helps your audience recognize your emails instantly. Now, while crafting your email, don't forget to make it engaging. Including questions or calls to action can encourage responses from your subscribers, making them feel like part of a conversation rather than just recipients of an email blast. For instance, you might include a question like, "What's your biggest challenge when it comes to topic?" This can encourage replies and foster community engagement. Next up is adding images or media to enhance your email. Visuals are a fantastic way to break up text and add interest to your content. To insert an image, click the plus icon in the email editor where you want the image to appear. From there, you can upload images directly from your computer or link to images hosted online. Just remember to keep your visuals relevant and high quality to maintain that professional look. We can't forget about links. If you're directing your readers to a specific landing page, blog post, or social media account, including a hyperlink is essential. Highlight the text you want to serve as the clickable link, then select the link icon from the toolbar. This makes navigating easier for your subscribers, guiding them exactly where you want them to go. Once you're satisfied with your email's visual and textual elements, it's time to take a step back and review your work. Click on the Preview button to see how the email will appear for your subscribers. Take note of any formatting issues, typos, or anything else that could be improved. This step is vital because you want to ensure everything looks polished before hitting send. Finally, when everything looks perfect, it's time to choose your audience. In the Recipients section, you can select specific segments or tags you want to reach with this email. This capability not only makes your emails more targeted, but ensures that the right people receive the right messages. Once you've selected your recipients and confirmed that your email is in tip-top shape, you can either send it immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling is a handy option that allows you to share your content at the optimal time for your audience, depending on their engagement patterns. And there you have it. You've successfully customized an email using ConvertKit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your email marketing efforts. Happy